Round one. Are we ready to go? Are we ready to go? Okay. So question one is multiply 73 by 37 without a calculator. So pen and paper. Multiply 73 by 31 without a calculator. 73 by 37. Off you go. Use any method you want. A few shout outs. Epidemic Einsteins, Gower Power, the Hodgsons on Twitter. We got Team Captain Underpants. Welcome. Who else do we have? My sound should be back now. Hello, Instagram people. Yeah, my dad's crawling around doing all the technology behind the scenes. He's gone. Lost sound again. Oh no. I'm gonna have to hold on. So that was question one. That was question one. So question two is, so the word for green pigment which resides in plants is the word chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Can you spell the word chlorophyll? Can you spell the word chlorophyll? Oh, so if you're on YouTube, try not to type in the chat, please. So spell the word chlorophyll. So that Curtis, we got the Curtis and Roberts family along. Can you spell the word chlorophyll for me? Yes, number one was 73 by 37. Okay, chlorophyll. Question number 3 coming up. What is the 6th planet from the sun? 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 Okay. Question number 4. In theory, this is the primary school round, in theory. Okay. What word is used to describe and give more information about a noun? So what word is used to describe and give more information about a noun? That's question number 4. Question number 4. This is the term in English. Hello, Instagram people. Thank you. I'm feeling better. Nikki on Instagram's asking how I'm feeling. I'm feeling a bit better. I don't feel amazing, but I think I look a bit better. Okay, and question number 5 is simplify the fraction 36 over 48 into its simplest form. So simplify the fraction 36 out of 48 in its simplest form. So I'll give you about 30 seconds, families, to double check all your answers. Yeah, so it's for question number 3. Yeah, it's a word type. I hope. So simplify 36 into 48. Okay, so I'm going to put the answers up. Curtis and Roberts, you happy? You got the 5 questions done?
Yeah, we're happy.
Okay, Roberts, you happy? Okay, so in future, I'll probably have a Google Doc where you transmit it. But today it's going to be trusting you families. Okay, so here are the answers that are coming up. So number 1 was 2,701.
Yep.
Chlorophyll was CHLOROPHYLL. Saturn is the 6th planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. I think it's my very energetic mother just swam under North Pole. There was like a little rhyme. And the word I was looking for was adjective. and it was 3/4 in its simplest form. If you put 75% or 0.75, I will forgive you. So let me know your scores after round 1. Hello, Quid Pro Quo. Hello, Sita Auntie. Hello, Jim Rosters. Hello, Maths in Action. They're all good. Let us know how you're doing after that round. Hello, Instagram people. My YouTube stream is much better, but you're welcome to join me here. So, Curtis family, how did you do in that round?
We got 3 of those.
3, okay, that's a start. And the Roberts, how did you do in that round?
We got 5.
Oh, 5, oh, very strong start. Okay, so 2 points in it right now. Plenty of points available. So after the first round, we have the Roberts on 5 and the Curtis family on 3. People, if they enjoy the quizzes, they enjoy what we do here, they feel free to make a donation to support our wonderful NHS heroes. And it's justgiving.com/quiz for NHS.